Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the EXO DoubleUp bike rack for the EXO Hitch System from Yakima. The EXO DoubleUp is a 2-bike platform rack accessory for the EXO Hitch System. It features a weight capacity of 50 pounds per bike when mounted onto the EXO SwingBase and 40 pounds per bike when mounted to EXO TopShelf. The EXO DoubleUp fits most bike styles and can accommodate wheels ranging from 20 to 29 inches and tires as wide as 4.8 inches. Some assembly of this bike rack is required prior to use, although setup is very straightforward. Locate the arms on your EXO system and attach the mounting plates using the quick cleat system for all EXO accessories. With the mounts in place the bike trays in this orientation onto the mounts and line up the holes on the trays to the ones on the mounting brackets. Install the mounting hardware and tighten it down completely with the supplied Allen wrench and open-ended wrench. Repeat this same process for the remaining 3 bolts as well. Now that setup of the EXO DoubleUp is complete, unfold the ratcheting arm and wheel cradle in preparation for loading your bike. It's a good idea to undo the rear wheel strap as well to ensure it doesn't snag on your wheel while loading. Load your bike onto the innermost tray first. Support your bike with one hand while you bring the arm over the front tire of your bike and ratchet it down until it has a firm grip on the front tire. Route the rear wheel strap through the spokes of the wheel and into the buckle. Pull it tight to secure the rear wheel. The EXO DoubleUp has lockable cables integrated into each bike tray. Install the extra lock cores that come with your EXO system into the cables, then route the cable around the frame of your bike. Lock it up to add a bit of security while you're out and about. Thank you for checking out our video on the EXO DoubleUp 2-bike rack from Yakima. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.